How to export ChatGPT conversations to PDF. Open the ChatGPT conversation you want to save. If your chat includes images or AI-generated images, don't worry, they'll appear in the print preview as well. Simply right-click anywhere on the page and select Print, or press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. In the Print window, choose Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF as the destination. You can adjust the margins, scale, and other print settings if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save. Choose a location on your computer, and your ChatGPT conversation will be downloaded as a PDF. This is the fastest way to save a conversation, but it only exports to PDF. If you want to export your chats as a Word document, Google Doc, or Notion page, you'll need to install the ChatGPT Exporter extension. Open the Chrome Web Store. Search for ChatGPT Exporter and add the extension to Chrome. If you're using another browser, look for the same extension in your browser's extension store. After installing it, refresh the ChatGPT page. You'll now see small export icons added to the ChatGPT interface. Click the Export to PDF button, then select Save. Choose where you want to save the file on your computer, and the PDF will be downloaded instantly. Open the PDF with any PDF reader to view, share, or print your ChatGPT conversation while keeping the original formatting intact. And that's it. Now you know how to export your ChatGPT conversations as PDF, Word, Google Docs, or Notion in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.